Wave trap in the substation. A wave trap, or line trap, is a device that prevents high-frequency communication signals from entering a substation. It's connected in series with the transmission line and is designed to carry the rated power frequency current. Wave traps are installed in substations to trap high-frequency communication signals sent on the line from remote substations. Divert these signals to the telecom panel in the substation control room. Filter the high-frequency signals to low-frequency signals. Protect against surge voltage. Wave traps are also known as high-frequency stoppers. They are maintenance-free parallel resonant circuits that are mounted inline on high-voltage AC transmission power lines. They are designed to carry the rated power frequency current and to withstand substation fault currents. Wave traps are available for narrowband and wideband carrier frequency blocking applications.